Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes. I've got some activated here just in case they're sticky. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first one is called Crunchy Munchy. I named these myself by the way, and I made the labels by myself. So this is a foam slime. It's really good. I love this slime. And if you're wondering why it's in a Ghostbusters tub, it's the only tub I could find that would fit this slime in, so I was playing with this earlier on. I love these slimes. I love this slime. Let's get on to the next one. Let me just put this away. Okay, now let's get on to the next one. Okay, so this next one, I haven't named this yet, but I don't know what I'm gonna name it. So if you want, comment down below what you think I should name this one. Don't ask why it's in a Kindred tub. I made it a small slime. So this is it. It's kind of like a mixture of slimes that I got. Okay. Let's get on to my next one. And this is my final one that I made. This is Mini Rose. I had to add some activator in this off camera because it was like super sticky. It was sticking all over my hands, so that's why it might be a little bit too hard. Just a little bit. So So if you haven't seen my last video, I done some slime SRM or ASMR. I can never say it right. So I done some of that, and yeah. So if you want to go and check that out, on you go. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.